Of course, I want us to stop there, but we'll continue with that conversation in a bit. I want us to get into some football action, and it's all about the local football league, that is FKF Premiere League. And Gor Mahia will be in action this afternoon, taking on Sofapaka. And for them, they want to close that gap between them and the leading team in the league, which is Kenya Police. We spoke to the coach, that is Sinik, and of course the captain, Philemon Otieno, and this is what they have to say.
Hello everyone. Nice to see you here. How is important match? Every match is important. We are professional, so we should give our best every game, of course. And now we are in the finishing of the season, so we are focused on every game with a lot of concentration, physically, emotionally. And we are very disciplined, and we have like 10 finals, right? League and cup. So every game is like final of the Champions League. For us, we keep it seriously. Look, we have our plan. We want to express our plan and win the game. That's it.
The mood is good. We are pushing hard for our game against Sofapaka over the weekend. We are going for the maximum points because the league is taking shape, so we must work hard and make sure that we win on Saturday. Yes, in Gor Mahia, every game you have to be under pressure because our fans and also us as players, we have to be under pressure because we must win each and every game.
Well, of course, that is Gor Mahia. They will be facing Sofapaka this afternoon. So let's quickly run through the fixtures that we have in Football Kenya Federation Premier League, and Sofapaka versus Gor Mahia. Of course, that is happening this afternoon. Mara Sugar will be taking on KCB, Bandari host Homeboys, and Muranga take on Kariobangi Sharks. Tomorrow we still have fixtures on the card. Bidco will be taking on Mathare, Tusker FC will be hosting City Stars, and Talanta take on Shabana. Those are the fixtures that we have when you talk about Football Kenya Federation Premier League. We'll be waiting to see who wins in the different matches that we have on the cards. Now, I want us to get back into the conversation that we are having this afternoon, and it's all about the